Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you have jars of loose change gathering dust? You can turn all those coins into instant cash or valuable gift cards right at your local Walmart. Coinstar machines, still going strong in 2025, offer a super simple way to convert your spare change without any manual sorting or counting. It's incredibly convenient, saving you time and effort compared to rolling coins yourself. Just pour them in and let the machine do the hard work. Get ready to unlock the value in your pocket change today. Finding a Coinstar machine at Walmart is usually straightforward. Just look near the customer service area or main entrances. It is good to know that for cash payouts, there's a small fee, typically 10.9%, deducted from your total. However, here's a smart tip. If you opt for an eGift card from popular retailers or restaurants, you'll receive the full 100% value of your coins with absolutely no fees. It is a fantastic way to maximize your change. Using the Coinstar machine is surprisingly simple. First, make sure your coins are relatively clean and free of any foreign objects like paper clips, lint, or candy wrappers, as these can jam the machine. Next, just pour your coins into the designated tray, and the machine will do all the counting automatically. Once it's finished, your total value will appear on the screen, prompting you to choose how you'd like to receive your money. It truly is a hands-off process. After your coins are counted, you'll see your payout options. The most common choice is a cash voucher, which you can immediately take to any Walmart checkout or customer service desk to redeem for physical cash. Alternatively, explore the wide array of e-gift cards available. These are fantastic because they give you the full value of your change without any service fees. Plus, some Coinstar machines even offer a convenient option to donate your change to various charitable organizations. The choice is always yours. Here are a few pro tips for a smoother experience. If you have an exceptionally large amount of coins, sometimes it's better to pour them in smaller batches to avoid jams. Always double-check your total and chosen payout option on the screen before confirming, just to ensure accuracy. Utilizing Walmart's Coinstar machines in 2025 remains a highly efficient and user-friendly way to convert your spare change into usable funds. It's a convenient solution for anyone looking to declutter and get value from their loose coins today.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.